Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ainun Mardiah Putri from class Accounting 24A with NPM 244120003. So in this video, in this video, I will explain about debt in simple and relaxed way so it's easy to follow. Debt is something we actually deal with almost every day, whether we realize it or not. So in this presentation, we'll look at what debt really means, why people and business use it, and the type of debt, the risk and the benefit, and how we can manage it wisely. So what exactly is debt? So, what is debt? Debt is basically we owe usually money to someone else because we borrowed it earlier. In other words, we get the benefit first and pay later. There always an agreement about when the payment should be made, how much we pay, and sometimes even what interest we must pay. So debt is just borrowing its structure. So debt is not just borrowing, it's a structure obligation with rules. Debt in everyday life. Debt isn't something far away from us. It's part of everyday life. For example, farmers buy fertilizer and seed on credit and pay after harvesting, and companies buy machine through loans so they can start producing without waiting years to save money. And we as individual use credit card, online installment, or personal loans. All these are examples of how debt help people use something now and pay later. It's basically a tool to support daily need or business activity. Expert definition of debt. Experts also explain debt in similar way. Kisu says debt is present obligation that come from past action and must be settled in the future, usually with money. Stiles explain debt as something that result from past transaction and must be paid eventually. So the key ideas is debt. So the key idea is debt start because of something you did before and later you have to sacrifice resources like cash to settle it. Pretty straightforward. Debt has three important characteristics that help us understand it better. First is current obligation, as mean we must pay it and it's our responsibility. Second is result from past event. Something happened before, like borrowing money or buying something on credit. And the last, future sacrifice. We need to give up money or asset later to settle the debt. These three characteristics make debt different from normal expenses or future plans. Categories of debt. There are many different types of debt. By time is short term, less than 1 year, and long term, more than 1 year. And by source, personal loans, business loan, government bonds. And by purpose, productive debt that help generate income, or consumptive debt for personal enjoyment. And the last is by collateral. Collateral is secured debt with a guarantee, and unsecured debt without collateral. Knowing these categories help us understand which debt is safe, which is risky, and which one is suitable for our need. Productive versus consumptive debt. Now let's talk about one of the biggest difference: productive versus consumptive debt. Productive debt is used for things that can bring income or create value in the future, like business capital, equipment, or education. This type of debt is usually good because it helps us grow. And consumptive debt, on the other hand, is for things that don't increase income, like buying a new phone, vacation trip, or lifestyle shopping. This kind of debt becomes a problem if we don't control it, because it doesn't give any financial return. Understanding the difference helps us make a smarter definition. Benefit and risk of debt. Debt has two sides, just like a coin. Benefit. Debt gives us access to money quickly when we need. Business can grow faster because they don't have to wait years to save money for expansion. It allows us to manage cash flow better and stay flexible. Risk. If we borrow too much or don't manage it properly, we might not be able to repay it. Interest can pile up and turn into a big financial burden, and it can damage our credit score, leading our long-term financial problem. So debt is powerful, but it requires smart planning. Debt in business world. In the business world, debt is very normal and very necessary. Companies use debt for a lot of things. Operational oper, operational support, like paying for raw material or inventory. Boosting liquidity, meaning having enough cash to run the business smoothly. And supporting growth, like buying new machine, opening new branches, or doing research and development. So for business, debt is not only a tool for survival, but also a strategy for expansion. So to wrap everything up, debt is actually helpful financial tool, not something we should automatically fear. The most important thing is to understand what debt is, why we use it, and how to manage it properly. If we use debt wisely only for things that really matter and within our ability to pay, it can help us achieve financial goals. But if we miss it, it can turn into a heavy burden. So the key is balance and smart decision making. That's all my video today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.